Every single human being, no matter their background, status, or talent, has exactly 24 hours in a day. What separates the successful from the average is not more time, it's better use of time. The way you choose to structure your hours determines everything about your life. People who succeed don't waste time. They don't scroll endlessly. They don't wake up without a plan. They design their day with discipline. Jordan Peterson constantly reminds us that order is the foundation of progress. If you don't bring order to your time, chaos will rule your life. The successful aren't lucky, they are disciplined. They track their time. They protect their mornings. They say no more often than they say yes. They understand that every hour they lose to distraction is an hour taken from their dreams. You must take your 24 hours seriously because no one else will manage your time for you. If you start your day without intention, you hand over your power. The successful plan the night before. They rise early. They exercise. They reflect. They learn. They execute. They don't leave life to chance. They choose structure. They wake up before the world needs them. They create before consuming. They read instead of scrolling. They build instead of watching. They know that small daily actions, when compounded, lead to massive outcomes. 1 hour invested wisely every morning is worth more than 10 hours wasted without purpose. The way you use your morning predicts the success of your day. You don't need more hours, you need to eliminate excuses. Peterson emphasizes the importance of personal responsibility. If you keep blaming the system, your past, or your environment, you'll never own your future. The clock is ticking whether you act or not. You can't buy back time. You either control the day or it controls you. Look around, people who waste time suffer. Their potential rots while they entertain themselves into mediocrity. The successful treat time as currency. They ask themselves, is this task building me or breaking me? They protect their focus like gold. They shut the door, turn off notifications, and go to work. Real work. Work that demands their full attention. Most people avoid the hard stuff. They procrastinate. They binge. They numb themselves. But the successful do the uncomfortable things. They do what others won't so they can live how others can't. Discipline isn't easy, but it's required. If you want a different life, you must live differently. Stop saying you don't have time. You have the same time Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and every Olympic athlete has. The difference is how they choose to use it. They say no to distractions. They remove low-value activities. They build habits that serve them. They don't wait for motivation. They rely on systems. You need to master routine, not just rely on feeling good. Success doesn't care how you feel. It responds to consistent effort. Peterson often says, compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. That's where time management begins, daily accountability. What did you do yesterday? Did you grow? Did you waste time or did you use it well? Don't aim to be perfect. Aim to improve. Keep score. Write down your wins. Track your hours. Measure your inputs. Because what gets measured gets managed. High performers don't leave it to guesswork. They are intentional. They review. They adjust. They execute again. And you must understand the power of saying, no. Your time is not unlimited. Every yes to distraction is a no to progress. The successful say no to what doesn't align. They don't people please. They don't attend every gathering. They stay focused on their vision. You don't owe anyone your time unless it serves your values. Be ruthless about protecting your priorities. You're not here to live for other people's approval. You're here to build a meaningful life. That requires hard choices. That requires boundaries. That requires clarity. Another secret. They schedule recovery. Burnout is real. But recovery is not laziness, it's preparation. The successful rest with purpose. They sleep well. They eat clean. They move their bodies. Because time is useless if your energy is gone. Energy fuels productivity. You can have a full calendar and get nothing done if you're drained. But if you're rested, focused, and energized, 1 hour of work can outperform an entire distracted day. So guard your sleep. Hydrate. Breathe. Your body is your productivity machine. Take care of it. Jordan Peterson emphasizes hierarchy and structure. You must build structure into your life. Random living leads to random results. You need systems. Morning rituals. Evening reflections. Daily checklists. Weekly goals. Monthly reviews. That's how you build momentum. That's how you build identity. That's how you shift from chaos to clarity. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. You don't need to do everything. You just need to do the right things repeatedly. Eliminate the non-essential. Look at your daily habits. Are you growing or escaping? Are you building or breaking? Are you numbing or nurturing your mind? Time reflects your values. What you spend time on is what you care about. If you say you care about growth but spend 5 hours on your phone, your actions are lying to you. Let your schedule reflect your purpose. Let your calendar match your dreams. Make your minutes count. No one is going to rescue you. Your future is built by what you do between 5 a.m. and 10 p.m. What you do after work. What you do when no one is watching. Every moment is a chance to grow or to retreat. Successful people don't wait for New Year's resolutions. They don't wait for Monday. They start now. They act while others talk. They do while others doubt. Because they understand, life is short. You can't waste it. Don't lose your day to indecision. Don't give your power to procrastination. Every day you waste is a day you'll wish you had back. Make the call. Send the email. Read the book. Train the body. Build the dream. Take the risk. Invest the hour. Time rewards the bold. And most importantly, they reflect. Peterson teaches the value of journaling, of tracking your thoughts, your patterns, your emotions. You must become a student of your own life. Review your day each night. What worked? What didn't? Where did you waste time? Where did you win? Self-awareness is the first step to time mastery. If you don't know where your hours go, you'll keep losing them. Track, reflect, adjust, improve, and don't forget relationships. Time spent with the right people multiplies your growth. The wrong people waste your time, your energy, your peace. Choose your circle wisely. Spend time with those who lift you. Learn from the wise. Be around builders. Be around disciplined minds. Because success leaves clues, and proximity is power. Time is your most precious resource. Treat it like gold. So today, decide. Will you drift or design? Will you let the hours pass or make every moment count? Will you live with purpose or excuses? The successful are not better than you. They just decided. They committed. They followed through. And you can too. 1 hour at a time. One block of focus at a time. One decision at a time. Use your 24 hours like your life depends on it, because it does.